Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I will show you how to change language in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to general management. From here go to language. Now from here to change language just tap on add language option. Now from here you can set your own language. If I select English and then select your own region. If I select United States, then tap on set as default and it's done. You can see in my phone language has been changed successfully. Now if you want to set UK English again, just tap here, then tap on apply and it's changed. Also if you want to delete any language, just tap on edit, then select language, then tap on delete, then tap on remove again. And it's deleted successfully. And that is how you can change language in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.